Welcome to the Business Behind the Scene podcast with Francesca Moi, where we talk all about real business problems, real solutions, and getting actual results in your business. Hello, and welcome to episode 155 of Business Behind the Scene. I'm literally finalizing all the things in the house, and we're ready to go. We're leaving, we're going to Miami. We're going to be in Miami for 2 months. Can you believe it? It's so interesting how when we make a decision like this, it's such a huge risk and there is so many uncertainties and so many things that the brain goes straight into panic mode. And so I've had a little bit of anxiety to deal with in the next few days because there's so much to do. I've mentioned before that I've rented my 2 properties that I have in Airbnb and they're completely sold out. So I have to organize all of that. I have to make sure that everything is ready for everybody. It's just so much to do. And my brain is interestingly struggling to keep up with everything. So before I go and head off to the airport, I wanted to record for you guys this podcast to really share with you guys what can happen in your business when you actually decide to be disciplined and show up for yourself and for your audience consistently. And this is one of the things that I teach inside of my Sold Out Business Academy that, by the way, we have 10 people in. I am so excited about, and we've got lots of more application in this month as well. So it's just amazing. When you have the audience, when you have the people, then it's really easy to get things sold out, to get things happening. It's so amazing. So our Sold Out Business Academy is going to be sold out soon. We also have release tickets for our conference in May 2022 in Brisbane, and the conference is called Level Up. We're gonna really show you how to level up your businesses, and oh my gosh, it's gonna be so amazing. So that's also happening. Like literally everything is happening, and I can guarantee you that also that conference is going to be sold out. Of course it will be sold out. So how do you get sold out? I have lots of clients of mine getting sold out events, sold out workshops, sold out one-on-ones that they can't fit it anymore in. Like, how do you do it? Can you just show me how? It's not an overnight strategy. It's not that you do these 3 things and boom, it's going to happen. It's about the consistency that we teach you to start the momentum. I was talking the other day with one of my clients and she was like, it doesn't happen overnight, but it does because eventually overnight it will happen. And it's like, I know, but you got to be consistent for long enough for you to wait for that night that it will turn around, right? Things will start happening. And so what we do is then step number 1 is to really be consistent on social media, but it's not just about what to post. So it's not just about posting on social media. It's not about just posting for the sake of it. It's just important that you post with some sort of strategy behind, that you know where you're going to funnel people through and in and where and how and what is the strategy behind that. If we're just posting on social media, it's like throwing spaghetti in the wall and hoping that something sticks, right? So it's really important that we have that strategy behind, and that's exactly what we teach our clients. So posting consistently with a strong strategy that will actually convert people, not just have people following you, because nobody wants followers and that's it, right? We all want to make an impact while we actually monetizing it. So it's vital for you to have a strategy that works, and that's what we teach inside of a Sold Out Business Academy. By the way, we're going to show you how to be seen as the expert, so that everybody wants to come to your workshop, wants to come to your retreats, wants to take those steps with you. Know your target audience. Like we're going to show you how to speak to the right people. We have 3 types of targets. We have the top of the funnel, which is your Marias that would never buy anything, right? I speak about this a lot. Marias are the people that not going to buy from you, but they're going to be excited about your programs. They're going to talk about it to everybody. They're going to be supporting you. They're going to be there for you, which is so good. But they're not your target market as such, but that's okay, because they like to know that there is a solution to a problem, but they don't want to take the steps. And that's okay, because without the Marias, our target market will never see us, will never notice us, will never reach out to us. So we need to have the Marias to be able to post and comment in our post so that we can gain momentum, so that the other people will actually notice us. And that's when we start to really understand who is our audience. And our audience usually watch in silence and then all of a sudden go, boom, I'm ready, let's go, right? That's how it goes. And so we wanted to the other step of what they do to have to be sold out is that they're not reactive to the business. They are proactive. They've got a plan, they've got a system, and they follow it. They've got a plan, got a system, and they follow it. They don't react to the business. We don't go, oh, let's launch something. Boom, next week, let's go. We have a plan. We have all the things that we want to do. They're all in a plan so that you can actually get them done as well. So it's so amazing how much you can done when you can get done in your business if you start to be proactive and not reactive. And last but not least, it's virtual assistants. You gotta do that with support someone. So all of my clients, Phoebe, Liz, Dawn, all my clients, Christine and Courtney, everybody that's been fully booked, they have gone through these steps consistently for a long period of time, enough for them to then get a result. So if you are wondering how do people do it, they get a coach. They get someone to show them how. Nobody invents themselves things by themselves. They get someone to support them. They get someone to show them the way. And if you guys been watching me and following me for a while, and know that there's 20,000 of you here, which is super exciting, we want to know, hey, like, are you taking this action? Are you getting a coach? Is someone that's showing you the way, or are you trying to stick spaghetti in the wall and hope that it sticks? Honestly, we need to make sure that we support you. And if you are resonating with me, if you've been watching me for a while, you got to know the Sold Out Business Academy now is a subscription model. So there's no lock-in contract. So if you were interested in my program before, now we're going to show you how to get your first 5K from one-on-one sessions from your social media. So people that don't know you, follow you and become clients. We're going to show you exactly how to do that. And then we're going to show you how to turn the business into a program, into a group program, into workshops and all of that. And that's the next step that we teach you. So it's all inside of the academy, and we have a massive launch this month, and you just got to be in it. You got to be in it to win it. You got to be in it to get your business to the next level. And we show you that inside of the academy. So if you want to be sold out, ask yourself, what is stopping you? What is stopping you from being sold out? What is stopping you from announcing to the world that you're sold out? That's the other thing that a lot of people do. They might be sold out, but they don't tell anybody. You got to tell everybody all the time, I'm sold out, this happened, and people will start to follow you because you're creating momentum, you're creating curiosity in what you are doing. So everybody listen. This is a short and sharp podcast because I want to go straight to the point. If you want to make a difference, if you want your business to double, if you want to start to make serious money in your business, stop being a hobby owner, but actually turn into a business owner, then it's time for you to truly think, what is stopping you? What is stopping you? What is the limiting belief? What is the fear that is stopping you from actually getting a coach to show you the way? And then find that coach, find that person that you resonate, that you know that can show you how to do every single step of the way. We do that inside of the Sold Out Business Academy. So if you do resonate with me, reach out, book a call, and let's go. Honestly, let's go. All right, everybody, you have a fabulous day. I look forward to see you next time from Miami. Oh my gosh, can you guys believe it? This is so exciting. And I was about to forget, we have something super special coming up for Black Friday. So stay tuned, come into my Instagram, have a look what we have, because you are gonna love it, and I'm sure you're gonna want it. You wanna get your hands on this. This is never done before and we'll never do again. So yeah, get on to it, go to my social media and stay tuned because something really cool is coming. All right, bye. Hey, if you enjoy listening to this podcast, then you have to come to check out our Facebook group, Workshop Secrets for Coaches. It's a community of over 9,500 coaches that are ready to boom their business by running workshops. They are stuck in one-on-one coaching and they're ready to start to go one-to-many. So if you are one of those coaches, then you have to join us. I look forward to see you there. And hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave me a review to win a ticket to one of my workshops. I look forward to see you there.